Hey there guys, this is Rocky Red Panda here for Food Travels. It's early in the morning on in Pittsburgh, and we're going to be visiting a staple here in the city. A good place for breakfast, a place called Kelly's, where we're going to their strip district location. Let's go on.
I'm an amateur chef, artist, and culinary food critic who understands what the meaning of small business is. I believe that food is a soup for the soul that can bring families together, which is why I travel all over reviewing unique and interesting places, one plate at a time. Come eat with me. This is P&D Studios Food Travels.
So Kelly's is a staple, especially when you're in Pittsburgh. They had multiple locations. We came to the one here on the strip. This was a place that was featured in Guys, Dives, Dine-ins, whatever it is. Guy Fieri featured it on his show. It is absolutely an amazing place for food. I mean, look at the interior. It's good. It's a staple. I always enjoy coming here when I'm in Pittsburgh, especially for breakfast. I mean, take a look at this menu.
The menu at Kelly's is perfect, and they do breakfast right, from their eggs to their fluffy Belgian waffles, even down to your cup of coffee.
So I ordered the corned beef hash with the eggs dippy, and of course you had to get that good Italian bread. Yes, that lovely Italian bread. So let's eat. Good Italian bread, hash browns. Absolutely delicious. One more time. Very good. And eggs dippy. Everything is excellent. Even down the coffee. Alright. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then I'll get my final bite down. So, let's get my final review of this food. Now, the food here at Kelly's is absolutely amazing. It is delicious, it is tasty, and it is absolutely satisfying. It fills you up. It is absolutely one of the best, I should say many of the best diners here in Pittsburgh. I mean, take a look at that. There's Guy. It's the Guy Fieri on the side. He knows how to pick them, and he knows how to get the best food possible. So, if you're looking for a good place to eat when you're in the city of Pittsburgh, it doesn't really matter which location you go to, there are quite a few. You need to come check out Kelly's Diner in the Steel City at Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. You're not going to be disappointed. So this is Rocky Red Panda setting out for this week's Food Travels. Till next time, folks, good eats.